Hello and welcome. I have today to show you this Laika Kreos 5009. You can see it's on a Mercedes base. It's 806 centimeters long. It costs in excess of €171,000. And just in case you don't believe me, there you have. Oh, sorry, I got it wrong. Oh, I said it was cheaper than really, €176,000. So it's even worse. Right, let's have a look inside. What do you get for 176,171, if that was what it was? Right, first impression is, I see it's got a double floor. It's got very nice indirect lighting. It's got a bed in the roof. Let's close the door. Oh, well, now the thing about Laika vehicles is they have a really attractive interior. I mean, every vehicle, of course, you might think it's attractive. Doesn't matter what it is. It depends what your style, what you actually like. I bet this might come out as though it's flashing a bit, and it does seem to be flashing inside. Maybe it's my eyesight, or maybe it genuinely. I do appreciate all light is flashing, but it does seem to be flashing more than usual. So, right. German layout at the back. It comes with the television, storage all the way around, steps up to the bed, and down here we've got some storage as well, but I can't get into the storage because this is down there. Put that up, hopefully it'll stay up, and then this opens like that. I think that's something great, that a wardrobe like that, really easy to get your stuff out of. And I think there are a number of vehicles like this, Laika, obviously, but also Niesmann, Bischoff have something like this. One or two other brands as well. This is so easy to actually get your stuff out of. I think that's using the space to the maximum. Superb in my opinion. Do you want to see up here? Have a look at this. So we've got something there to open it, and it comes open, springs open, really easy. Good quality hinges in there. Right, so coming forward here we have the washroom, enormous washroom. And I don't know if I can call this a dressing room or not, because you can't really sort of keep your clothes in there. Don't know what that's meant to be for, bottles, or I don't know. The washroom though is, for my taste, that is outstanding. Obviously that's a duckboard down there, but that really appeals to me. And it's not real wood. I mean, it is waterproof. I think that looks good. Yeah, I'll lift it up if I can. Mind you, I think it could do with a non-slip surface. If you think the same, put your comment below. Lots of space in the toilet. You've got storage. You've got storage behind the mirrors. You've got electric plug. And what have we got here? There's the wide, very wide corridor looking down there. Note the double floor, and in the double floor there is obviously you get storage. So look down here. There's your black tank. Should you want to get a hold of your black tank? I tried cleaning my black tank out actually. Ooh. Double floor storage. You can see how deep it is. It's really good. I now, having lived in a vehicle with a double floor, there's no way I could go back to being without one. Particularly I'm doing all this winter stuff. Space for batteries. Obviously you can actually put batteries just about anywhere you want within reason. Yeah, though it does require a little bit of work to get them to go where else you might want them. Superb quality fittings. It's not the normal sort of stuff you get from the Hymer group, which looks as though it's IKEA's offcuts. and this also, this recessed Hobbs 3 from Thetford. Now, what about people say, yeah, you can buy a house for that type of money? Well, yeah, of course you can, but a house doesn't have wheels, does it? You can't actually move it and take it somewhere else. If I wanted to live in a house, I'd live in a house, but I don't. But then again, would I want to spend this type of money? Well, I suppose if I had a couple of million I didn't know what to do with, then yeah, maybe I would go for something like, I wouldn't go for this model though. There's another model I like better at a similar price, I might add. There'll possibly be a link to the one I prefer below. For me, I find this the way that the window has been built, I find this really attractive. There's your NSEC screen. There's the blind. I personally prefer this more than the plissé type blinds. I think that this is easier to clean as well. I think anyway. Maybe I've got that wrong. Also, I like the window, the slidey type window. There's lots of positive features about the vehicle. Of course, this is taste. I mean, everybody is different. Where is the oven? That's a question I'm often asked. Well, here's the grill up there. Well, that'll do you. It is a grill though. You could do a pizza in there. I don't think you could do a chicken in it. And this is the freezer, and that open. Sorry, they open both ways, of course, these. As you may have probably seen in other videos. Door's got a window. It doesn't have a place to keep the dog's lead in. As you're leaving, you can see what the score is here. You can turn your lights on or off. Here, we've got the thing that brings the bed down. Now, that's an odd position. Hey, let's just push it, see what happens. If it's connected, that is. Oh, I found a problem here. No. I'm holding this down, checking to see that nothing's in the way. Right, the thing's coming down, and this is where I need another person to help me. Right, you can see, right, I've got to stretch my arm to get to that. That's an awful position to put this in. I mean, if you're any shorter than me, then that would be a problem. So there you have the extra bed. Always, obviously, before you put it down, check to see you're not getting in the way of anything. How close is it to that? Now, you wouldn't want to bring any closer down than that. That is in fact, I'm even going to put it up a bit. Well, I like the way it came down. It was quite quiet. You've got nets. The net, you can see, you've got this here, buckle, goes into there. That's designed to stop you falling out of bed. If you're the sort of person that might fall out of bed, there'll be a ladder somewhere, probably in the garage. But having that there is a dreadful, in my opinion, design fault. Right, here we go again. Can you see me now? I don't know. There you go. Can't see myself. And there's the thing going up. The lights go a bit dimmer, but that's normal. The bed is manufactured by Lippert Components, also in Italy. Right, I'm afraid I would have to say, after all these good things I said about this vehicle, how great it was, then I have something like that. Really unfortunate. Right, L-shaped lounge here. This bit comes up, so you've got a place to stick your feet if you're sitting there. Let's have a look outside. And this one here is an unusual one. This is also something that's done by Niesmann. Bischoff have these opening like this. Don't suppose it makes much difference which way it opens up. Door at the other side, magnificent garage, absolutely wonderful. Don't like the colour very much, but I don't think black works for motorhomes at all. Of course, it's just my opinion. Also, don't like the fuses in the garage. I like to have the fuses somewhere. If something blows and it's pouring down with rain or something, and there's a minus 30 and there's a blizzard, I'd rather be able to change the fuses in my pajamas with no shoes on inside, if possible. So yeah, this is definitely a vehicle designed for people who are taller than me. It's usually the opposite is the problem. Okay, so the overall opinion from my point of view is that bed is a real big no-no. That is a dreadful design fault. Well, I like the door. Look at this. This is the sort of thing you can miss. Well, isn't that an unusual? Look at the shape of that. Yeah. Now, does this open? What does it do? It looks as though it opens, but that's just painted on. Yeah. Okay, they've got the Mercedes Sprinter front to it. It sort of makes it look a bit American. From the United States, I mean. Well, that's how I feel. Good, so there you have it. Kreos L 5009 from Laika. Mercedes base, looks great inside, has a drop down bed which is really not good at all from the position of pushing that thing in. Of course that thing could be changed, you could put it somewhere more sensible, like next to the kitchen block or something like that. That's doable, just needs to be wiring. But as it is, I'm afraid I wouldn't go for it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.